Today, TMC leader from Kolkata had visited you. Was it a political or some issues on politics was discussed on it?
No. I know the concerned gentleman from 2013 when he was from almost 8 years. So he's in Tripura. He's made a courtesy visit. He had a cup of coffee with me. He asked me about certain situation in Tripura. I gave him my views. There's no such talk about alliance or any such thing. Someone comes to Tripura, calls on me, they're most welcome to come and meet me. And we've had he met me and had a small discussion for 10 minutes. Then he's gone.
Nothing on politics.
See, I'm very clear. Our demand is Greater Tripura land. Anyone who gives us this in writing, whether it is BJP, Trinamool, Congress, fine. If they don't give it to us, we'll fight all the seats on our own. I'm not here to ask for a position for myself, whether it's a chief minister or member of parliament or any ministerial post. We are very clear, we want a constitutional solution to our demand of Greater Tripura land. Now, if any political party wants to give us any assurance, it cannot be on a personal favor. It has to be in writing, so that at least I can go and show to my Triprasa people that this is what they are assuring us. Without anything in writing, I am not ready to talk about alliance with anybody, any political party.
So, but again the question comes, some of the parties from outside are also coming, which are not national party. You have been always against the national party. They have their own agenda, particularly on CIA and NRC. Since TMC is a party which to some extent have differences on the CA and NRC, they have some issues, but everything does not go by.
My stand is very clear. I want Greater Tripura land. I want the Greater Tripura land under a constitutional solution. Now, if any political party, if they are interested in having any alliance with us, they have to give this to us in writing that they support our stand. If they do not give this in writing, verbal commitments mean zero in politics. I cannot fool my Triprasa people. There is going to be delimitation in 2026. I am not interested in any personal post, any funds. All I am saying is any political party which gives us a constitutional settlement solution, allows us to do that or raises this issue in the parliament, we are willing to talk. But till the time I don't get anything in writing, I am not going to compromise on my Greater Tripura issue. I don't understand why. I really don't understand.